The 2021 Jeep Compass facelift has been officially revealed for the Indian market 3 years after the SUV was launched in India. The updated model comes with subtle design revisions including new full LED headlights, tweaked 7-slat grille, new alloy wheels and LED tail lights. The bumpers have been revised as well for a more butch appeal. However, it is the cabin that gets a complete overhaul with a new dashboard layout that looks wider and more premium, covered in soft touch materials, brushed aluminium and leather. The model also comes with a larger 10.1-inch high-definition touchscreen infotainment system, new switch knobs and repositioned start-stop button. The Compass facelift also gets a 10.25-inch digital console with a real-time 3D look. The screens are lit up by FCA's new Uconnect 5 software that brings connected car technology to the SUV along with OTA updates and an Android-based operating system. The Jeep Compass facelift will continue to use the same engines and transmission choices. Bookings will begin towards the end of this month. The 2021 MG Hector facelift has been launched in India and prices start from 12,89,000 rupees going up to 18,32,000 rupees for the 5-seater variant. The MG Hector Plus 6-seater version is priced between 15,99,000 rupees and 19,12,000 rupees. In addition to the facelift, MG Motor India has also launched the Hector Plus 7-seater version that is priced from 13,34,000 rupees going up to 18,32,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. The Hector facelift arrives in just 18 months after the car was launched and features a new chrome stud pattern grille, gunmetal grey finish on the skid plate and larger 18-inch alloy wheels. The cabin now gets a dual-tone champagne gold color option, while features like wireless charging, 3-step ventilation and ambient lighting are new in the car. MG has also updated the iSmart system to understand voice commands in Hinglish. There are no mechanical changes though, and the MG Hector facelift continues to use the same engine and transmission options. Škoda Auto India has finally revealed the production name of its upcoming compact SUV based on the Vision IN concept. The upcoming offering has been christened Škoda Kushaq, which the company says derives its origin from the ancient Indian language Sanskrit, and the word Kushaq denotes king or emperor. Škoda's naming nomenclature for its SUVs globally requires it to start from the letter K and end with the letter Q, and the new Kushaq name fills in that request quite well. Interestingly, there were a number of names rumored to be in the running for the Vision IN, since the company had also filed a trademark for the names Konark, Click, Karmic and Cosmic. The new Škoda Kushaq is slated for launch by mid-2021 and will be the brand's first product under the India 2.0 strategy. The new offering is based on the MQB A0 IN platform that has been specifically designed for India, and the model will be heavily localized, promising competitive prices.
If you liked that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.